Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In this video, we will discuss another example on direct mapping so that you will understand the concept in a better way. Let me discuss the example. The size of main memory is 64 KB and the cache memory size is 16 KB. Block size is 128 bytes and the number of tag bits required and the tag directory size is. Okay. So, if you know that the direct mapping is divided into three parts. One is the block offset. Next one is the line number and the tag bits. So they are asking us to find the tag bits. Okay. Now the total size of this physical address will be depend on the size of the main memory. What is the size of the main memory? 64 KB. If you have 64 KB words are there, then you need to have 2 power 6 is 64 and 2 power 10 is KB. So it is 2 power 16. So 16 bit address is required to identify one of the word in the main memory. Are you able to understand? So the total number of bits of the physical address 16, and then we need to find how many bits are allocated for the block offset, how many bits are allocated for the line number, and how many bits are allocated for the tag. Now how can you calculate the block offset? Block offset will be depend on the block size. What is the block size they have given? Block size they have given is 128 bytes. So 128 bytes can be represented as 2 power 7 bytes. So you have to have 7 bit address for identifying a block offset. So 7 bits are allocated for the block offset. Then you need to find the line number. To identify the line number, you need to identify number of lines in the cache memory. Number of lines in cache memory is equal to cache memory size by line size. I think everyone know that the block size is equal to line size. What is the block size? 128 bytes. So line size is also 128 bytes. And what is the cache memory size they have given? 16 KB. So 16 KB can be written as 2 power 14 and 128 bytes can be written as 2 power 7. So 2 power 14 by 2 power 7 is equal to 2 power 7. So 7 bits are required for the line number. How many lines are there? 2 power 7 lines are there. 2 power 7 lines can be identified using 7 bits. So out of total 16 bits, you have 14 bits are allocated for the line number and block offset. So remaining 2 bits are for the tag. You can calculate the tag bits like this, or another way you can directly calculate the tag bits is equal to number of tags, or let me write tag bits. Number of line tags is equal to number of lines. Okay, sorry. Are you able to understand? The number of tags is equal to number of lines in the cache memory. Now we need to identify the tag bits. The tag bits is equal to main memory size by cache memory size. What is the main memory size? Main memory size is 64 KB. What is the cache memory size? 16 KB, which is equal to 4. Am I right? 64 KB by 16 KB is equal to 4. So you need 2 tag bits. Totally you have 4 tag bits are there. So you need to identify total number of tag bits are 4. So you need 2 bits for the tag 1. Are you able to understand? So this is the way you will calculate the tag bits. 2 bits are there. This is one way you can calculate, or you can calculate the line number and block offset, then divide minus subtract it from the physical address size. Like this also you can calculate, or this way also you can calculate. The next one they are asking the number of tag bits, we got it as 2. Then the next question they are asking us the tag directory size. Each tag is having 2 bits. Am I right? Each tag is having 2 bits. How many tags are there? Number of bits into number of tags is equal to the tag directory size. Number of tag bits are 2. Number of tags is equal to number of lines in the cache memory. How many lines are there in the cache memory? 2 power 7. So this is the tag directory size. See, it is very simple. Tag directory size is equal to number of bits in a tag into number of tags. You already know that each line in the cache memory is associated with a one tag. So the number of tags is equal to number of lines in the cache memory. So you got the 2 power 7 lines will be there. So 2 power 7 into 2, which is equal to 2 power 8, is the tag directory size. Are you able to understand? If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.